Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got Rod Brownridge, drive shot, par 4. Almost drivable. That's how close he was to the green. That's how far he's left to the flag. Okay. This makes it an eagle chip. I'm a pessimistic kind of guy, so I'm going to give him a par at best here. He's going to have to putt out all the way. So,
I know, that's kind of messed up.
So we'll see. We'll put the camera on him, see how he reacts to the pressure. Yeah, I'll get a little better angle here, just to let you guys know what he's facing. That's his eagle chip. He gets distracted, pulls away. Smart man, smart man, smart man. Just sees a random ball just go up here. What do we got here? We've got a short one. All right. So now that's what he's got left for his birdie. Okay. Which we're not going to give him, which he has to putt out. All right. So he's going to mark it. That's about a 8-footer. 5-7-footer.
I have to do better than that. You're right. Got to do better than that.
All right. So he's pretty confident on his eagle chip, birdie best. You know. Now he's.
Yeah. Go ahead, put your bird.
Didn't even give his, chip a chance.
Not even a chance.
Right. He just pretty much laid up.
What was that? So I wouldn't get a shot? Oh, look at the hater raid that came out just a second ago.
Right.
Put your bird.
This is what we got, ladies and jelly spoons.
Oh, I don't like that.
Okay, that would be for his birdie.
Rod Brownridge for 3. It's a tight lead.
That sound.
Oh,
that sound of silence. What you should have heard is this. But no, it took 4 shots to make that sound. Ladies and gentlemen, that is golf. No gimmies, no certainties.
You're close. That was pressure.